Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by powering down the iPhone X and visually inspecting the TrueDepth sensor area for dirt, cracks, or moisture. This avoids wasted diagnostics. Once done, power on and disable Face ID in settings to prevent lockouts while you work. Make sure to remove any screen protector or case that covers the notch, then use a soft, lint-free cloth and 90% isopropyl on a corner to clean the sensor gently. You're starting with the simplest, highest impact checks first. You now run the Face ID setup and pay attention to exact error messages. Those words guide your next moves. Once done, test the front camera in portrait mode and in low light to observe whether the infrared and dot projector are working. Visible artifacts or failure to map indicate hardware issues. Make sure to try a full iOS update or reinstall if errors are software-related. If you see consistent camera failures after updates, you'll need to consider hardware repair paths. You finish by backing up your data and deciding whether to seek Apple-authorized repair or to attempt a DIY fix if you have experience. Replacing the TrueDepth module requires display removal and careful connector handling. Once done with disassembly, inspect the sensor cable pins for corrosion or bent pins and receipt connectors. If fine, replace the module. Make sure to test Face ID before sealing. If Face ID still fails, boot into DFU mode to rule out software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.